Hi, Dr. Ian here, and welcome to Chirolife Rosanna. Now, this is my home away from home where I spend many hours looking after people just like yourself. And I thought before you actually come in, you may actually like to take a walk through the clinic with me to see exactly what it looks like on the inside and what we do. Follow me. Alright, as we enter the clinic, you'll notice that we have our front desk set up with one of my fantastic chiropractic assistants, Emma, who is there to make sure that the clinic runs smoothly and at its best at all times. Now, as a new patient, this will be your first port of call where Emma will guide you through the new patient process. And the first thing she's going to get you to do is actually fill out a little bit of paperwork. Come this way. You'll be given the paperwork, you'll have a seat, and for a few minutes you'll fill in those important details that we actually need. Following that, you and I will then be sitting down in our consult room, which is on the other side of the clinic. But before we go in there and I show you around, let's have a little bit of a tour of the clinic. We have our X-ray room over here, which is extremely convenient for patients because it means we can do everything on site. You won't have to go off to a hospital or one of the other radiology clinics and have your time wasted getting your X-rays done. Over here on the left, we have our bathroom. We also have a few doors down a little bit further, which is where we have our report of findings rooms. Come on through, let's have a look at the consult room. Oh, we always have some water and for your convenience. All right, now over here you can see we have a few tables. This is where the magic happens, where I do my adjusting and other requirements to make sure you're going to get exactly what you need. Come on through. All right, in the consult room, this is where you and I are going to be sitting down to have a chat about what your health concerns are. Following our discussion, we will then go through an examination, which will include a posture exam, ranges of motion, some orthopedic and neurological tests, and whatever your case history lets me know we need to examine. Following this, we're then going to, if required, get some x-rays in the x-ray room that you just saw. Now, if we then come back through, you'll notice that we've got a clinic that also accommodates our kids. Really important part of our clinic. We are a family practice, and this is where our youngest members relax, draw, read, while they wait for either mum or dad to have their adjustment, and in some cases, following their adjustments. The other thing you need to also know is that as you come through, there is a lot of different information around the clinic to make sure that you're getting answers to whatever questions you have. Chiropractic deals with many different parts of health to ensure that we can get you back on track. A lot of people come and see me because they've got migraines, because they've got headaches, neck pain, mid-back, low back pain, maybe something to do with shoulder, arm, elbow, the pelvis, legs, etc. No matter what your concern is, chiropractic potentially can help. And the only way you're going to find out is if you come and have a chat to me. So please, I would welcome you to come into the clinic, come and have a chat with us, see if we can be of service, and maybe we can get you to where you would like to be. This is Dr. Ian. Hope this has been useful. Have a great day.